entering the sala. Observe silence. The court is now in session.
You may be seated.
We're hearing criminal case number 12345, People of the Philippines versus General Gatchalian.
Appearances.
Honor, at the right side is the panel of the accused.
Present, Your Honor. My client is not able to attend today because he is in coma.
Your Honor, at the left side is the panel of prosecution.
Present, Your Honor. Together with me are my two witnesses, Ms. Arlene Bahe and Dr. Lenny Puracan.
For the prosecution, are you ready?
Ready, Your Honor.
Okay, now, call the witness to the witness stand.
Your Honor, now I will be presenting my first witness into the witness stand, the investigator and the ballistician of the case, Dr. Lenny Puracan.
Raise at your right hand. You swear to tell the truth, all the truth, and nothing but tell the truth in this case.
Yes, ma'am.
Put your hands down.
Witness, please state your name and other personal circumstances.
I'm Dr. Lenny Puracan, 28 years of age. I'm ballistician, a document examiner, and also a fingerprint technician. I have my 10 masteral degree at Ateneo University, and I also finished my PhD at De La Salle University.
Your Honor, my first witness is now presenting the evidence regarding the murder case of Ms. Buseo. We proceed, Your Honor.
Proceed.
Dr. Lenny Puracan, are you the one who investigate the case?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the one who conduct the examination of the empty cartridge?
Yes, ma'am. Here it is, ma'am. Based on the investigation that I conducted, the standard bullet is on the right side, and the recovered shell are on the left side. And based on my cross-examination, the empty shell that we gathered
Done?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel of the accused, do you have any questions?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stain.
Witness, paano mo mapapatunayan na yung balang nakuha ay galing sa crime scene? Actually, ma'am, I am the one who conduct the process and crime scene of Miss Ria May Buseo. Paano ka nakakasiguro? Actually, ma'am, ito po yung cartridge na na-recover namin dun sa crime scene ni Miss Ria May Buseo. E di kung ganun, paano ako makakasiguro na tama yung examination mo? Ilang taon ka na bang ballistician? Actually, ma'am, 10 years po ang pag-aaral ko sa field na ito bilang isang ballistic. Your Honor, I'm done.
Sustain. Miss Witness, are you done with the testimony?
Yes, Your Honor.
Panel of defense, do you have any witnesses?
Pardon, Your Honor, because my witness is not able to attend today because he is in coma.
The prosecution, do you have any witnesses?
Yes, Your Honor. Now I'm presenting to you the star witness. Yes, ma'am.
State your name and other personal circumstances.
Sa aking bahay, 18 taong gulang, single, kasalukuyan nakatira sa Maynila.
You may now be seated.
Please, star witness, maaari mo bang isalaysay sa aming lahat na narito kung ano ang nangyari noong araw ng mamatay si Miss Rhea Buseo?
Ganito po kasi yun.
Hoy lalaki, napakakapal ng mukha mo ah. Mambababae ka na lang sa harapan ko pa. At yung babae na yan, napakalandi niya, pakisabi sa kanya.
Malis ka na, nandyan yung daligan. Problema mo?
Eh sino nga yung babae na yon?
Best friend ko lang yun, papakilala.
Best friend, eh, ang sweet-sweet nyo, meron pang ganon.
Papakilala ko sana sa'yo.
Eh, leche!
Tara ka dito.
Ano po pagkukulang ko sa'yo?
Di ka nga dito, doon tayo sa loob. Huwag ka dito mag-scandal sa labas. Ayoko!
Bitawan mo ako.
Ma'am, yun na po. Your Honor, isa po.
Sustain.
Objection, Your Honor! I have a question to the witness.
Proceed.
Star witness, sigurado ka bang nandun ka sa pinangyarihan ng krimen?
Opo, nandun po ako.
Paano mo mapapatunayan? Eh, gago ka pala eh!
Order in the court! Don't say foul words!
Sorry, Your Honor.
Sustain.
Miss Star Witness, paano mo mapapatunayan na nandun ka nung araw na yun?
Ma'am, ito, pruweba ko. Mukhang siya nga ata to, oh.
Bakit parang ako yan? Ako ba yan? Ako ba yan?
Objection, Your Honor. The question of the counsel is misleading.
Order in the court. Order in the court. Counsel of the accused, please arrange your question.
Sorry, Your Honor. Nasaan si Miss Rhea Buseo dyan? Eh, wala naman siya dyan.
Nasa tapat po siya ng bahay nila nung eksena na yan.
Okay, you may now be seated.
Evidence are now presented and our honorable judge has made final decision.
Based on the evidence presented by the prosecution due to the lackness of credibility of the defense panel, I hereby announce that one Mr. John Riel Gatchalian is guilty beyond reasonable doubt. The session is closed.